Okay,
It is the 5th of February, 2023. This is WIKISPEED Stand Up. Oh, you were supposed to do that part,
it's
weren't you?
okay. I'll just
Dang
carry
it.
on from there. This is WikiSpeed Stand Up. And take it away, Mike.
Okay, it's Michael Wolchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. For last week, I got Stand Up posted. Tank level project. I ordered a level shifter, an optocoupler board that will take the 3.3 volt signal from the ESP32 and control the 5 volt signal for the TF Luna. I'm trying to minimize the amount of power that's used in deep sleep mode. And I found a delivery that was February 8th, so I got it ordered. Makerspace, I visited the shop on Tuesday again. Discussed with a couple of guys how to model the gear, which computers were set up to do the 3D printing, but no one was available to train me on using the printer. So that'll have to be the next visit, likely next Thursday, because Tuesday I'm busy. And again, in the makerspace, I downloaded OpenSCAD, which is not really an interactive um, CAD package. It's more of you call libraries with the correct parameters, and then it renders it for you and stuff. It's a little weird. It's kind of like using code to create something. So you can call a library and create a gear, and then you can call another library and delete part of it based on where it is. And anyway, found the correct library to generate a beveled herringbone gear, which is what I need. Downloaded it, watched some tutorials, and I got the gear generated and saved as an STL file. I messed with it a little bit more, and I got it as close to the correct size as I can, and I've also got it as a step file now, which is helpful. I don't know which of the two files I need. I wasn't paying that much attention when they were talking about the software for the 3D printer. And for the knitting machine, I ordered a new stepper motor because the one that I ordered last time was not wired correct, or not wired as it should have been in order to use my driver. Anyway, it's arriving on February 9th. So hopefully next week I have uh, a lot of stuff that I can do. For next week, again, I'm still wanting to get ROS installed on the Raspberry Pi for the Sun Founder. I think level of project, I'm hoping to get um, code operating with the newly released or newly received level shifter and see whether it actually uses less power or whether I just wasted some money. Um, I still want to do the mobile inverter, get some 12 volt posts bolted into it so that I can use it from the outside of the box and charge the battery. And on the makerspace, I'm hoping to visit Thursday and see if I can get someone to show me how to use a 3D printer and the slicing software. And there may be one more step before the G code gets loaded onto the 3D printer. I'm not exactly sure. I think I get, with my monthly membership, I think I get a little bit of 3D printing free or included, if you want to describe it that way. But I'm going to have to figure out where to purchase more filament from. And then hopefully, if I get that far, I'll take some video and some pictures. And blocks. I'm out of blocks. I'm no longer sick. My wife is no longer sick. Things are almost normal. So back to you.
Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And I didn't do much the past week, except I found some videos explaining more generally about electronic schematics and terms and how they relate to Newtonian physics. So I'm enjoying that, and kind of yeah. I'll send the link because I think it's probably good, something we should have up on website. So coming week again, I'm going to work on the tank level, and then maybe the Sun Founder. I would like to work on the Sun Founder, and also just kind of reaching out again, or considering just how to reach out, and maybe also thinking about applying for some money for parts from WIKISPEED if there's money there. And blocks where I got sick this week. So I was knocked out kind of Tuesday through Thursday. And then I just took a much wimpier walk than usual. 3K. But I am on the way back. And so that's it for me. Back to you.
Okay. 3K is not a wimpy walk, by the way. Okay, so retrospective, I got 6 points out of 4 expected for the week, so it should be a 10, but I'm gonna give it a 9 because it doesn't feel like I got all that. I ordered a bunch of stuff and maybe I just counted too much for that. But I did make progress. Team, let's go with a 7. And process improvement, I really don't have anything. I guess back to you.
Okay, I'm going to tie up this recording, and maybe then we'll have some crosstalk.
Aren't you going to do your retrospective first?
Oh, pardon me. Yes, I missed. All right. Yes, mine. I'm going to go for a 3, and the team I agree with a 7, and process improvement is similar to before. Is reach out to actually probably put together our because we do have, we've been uploading the thing. You've uploaded videos. We have been doing things, but presenting it. That was a thing I found in research work and reporting work was just get the presentation together, and you can bring in more people. So that's my suggestion, some kind of tidy up of the presentation. And so that would be it. And now I'm going to go to crosstalk, but first I'll stop the recording.
Okay.